Hey guys, good morning. What do we have here? Alright, this is my new bike, Patagonian Eagle 250. I got this on the 2nd of April 2021. Uh, I got this brand new, not a second hand. Let's take a look at the meter. A few hundred kilometers. Nice bike. Sorry, a little bit dirty. I took it a spin today, this morning. Since this is a new first episode, I will review this bike and have it spin around Malaysia. But I don't yet have the go what we call it the what we call the camera or the GoPro. I will buy it soon and attach it to this bike, and let's go spin to around Malaysia. I live in Kuantan, Pahang, Malaysia. I will start in my own state in Pahang, and then to a neighboring state, and maybe around Malaysia with this bike. Nice bike, eh? This is my helmet. Okay, let's take a round look. Okay, from the front. This is standard, not yet modified anything. I don't think I want to modify anything. I would just attach the side box and windshield. The wind is too terribly high. I need to attach the windshield. Okay, the disc brake on the front, drum on the rear. I'm supposed to get the chrome exhaust, but they only can supply this. Never mind. Look cool too. Behind. The other side. Okay, let's start this guy. Sorry, a little bit dirty. Now you and me will round all over Malaysia. Hey. Okay guys, see you soon with GoPro. I think I'll go to Pekan, Pekan district after I got the GoPro, and then to other district in Pahang. Please subscribe and leave comment down below. Thank you.